Friends, we are going to think about two activities which are given here. In first activity, point A, point B and point C are given here. With the help of a thread, just you have to check whether these points are collinear or not. दिलेले बिंदूस आहेत हे एकरेषीय आहेत किंवा नाहीत याचा पडताळा आपल्याला घ्यायचा आहे. आणि जर ते कोलिनियर असतील तर याच्यामध्ये कोणता बिंदू हा कोणत्या बिंदूंच्या दरम्यान आहे हेही आपल्याला ठरवायचं आहे. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी वी कॅन टेल point A, point B and point C are collinear. If we consider about second activity, in second figure 4 points are given here, point P, point Q, point R and point S. In the same way, just we are going to check that. We have to check which three of them are collinear and which three are non-collinear. In the case of three collinear points, state which of them is between the others. If we consider about point P, point R and point S, there seems to be collinear one. In this point R is in between point P and point S. Getting all of you? Dear friends, with the help of information given below, find which of the points is between the other two points if the points are not collinear. The first example which is given here, that is distance PR is equal to 7. Distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. To find out that, just we are knowing about that, yes, one distance of PQ is equal to distance of PR plus distance of QR. Then we can tell point R is in between point P and point Q. For that we have to write firstly distance of PQ is equal to distance of PR plus distance of QR. The distance in between point P and R, in the sense distance PR is equal to 7 and distance QR is equal to 3. Distance PQ is also equal to 10. The sum of these two distances is also equal to 10, and therefore we can tell point R is in between point P and point Q. Okay. The second example which is given here, distance RS is equal to 8, distance ST is equal to 6 and distance RT is equal to 4. If we write distance RS plus distance ST, it is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. But distance RT is equal to 4, that's why we can't tell this point S is in between point R and T. Next example which is given here, point X, Y and Z are collinear such that distance XY is equal to 17, distance YZ is equal to 8 and distance XZ is equal to question mark. To find out the value of XZ, we are knowing, on putting the value of all of them, we can get the value of distance XZ, that is equal to 9 unit.